Today we are looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss in Reef Blue Metallic. This truck is powered by a 2.7-liter TurboMax engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to look at are these jet black leather seats. These seats contain heating in the front row. This jet black theme is followed throughout the entire vehicle, all the way to your steering wheel, which holds your controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel option, and more. Behind the steering wheel to the left, you'll find your controls for your windshield wipers and high beams. Behind this, your digital gauge cluster. As we jump on inside, in the center of the dash, you'll find your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google Maps and Google Assistant. Below this are your climate control settings, as well as your settings for heated seats in the front row. Behind your gear shifter, you'll find your auto start stop button, lane assist, and hazards, as well as 2 USB charging ports and a wireless charging pad. Beside your shifter is your drive mode selector and parking brake. On the driver's left-hand side, you'll find power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors. As we take a look at this beautiful Reef Blue Metallic exterior, we'll notice these 18-inch gloss black aluminum wheels. This Colorado is also equipped with off-road suspension and a 2-inch lift. You'll notice that many of the exterior trim options are finished in black, such as the wheel wells and door handles. As we head to the back, you'll notice on this black rear bumper, assist steps on the corners, allowing for easy access into the cargo bed. As we lower that power-assisted tailgate, we can take a look at the cargo area. The tailgate is also finished in spray-on bed liner, protecting you from dents and scratches. And that is the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss in Reef Blue, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.